at Mindcare provide the services since 2012 related to career programs in counseling. Specialized Professional Services Mindcare Counselling Center PVT. Limited. Awarded by International Achievers Conference on National Economic Development and Social Responsibilities, at N.S.D.C. Bharat, Mindcare Counselling Center is N.S.D.C's Silver Learning Partner. Mindcare Counselling Center is IOSH approved training provider. IOSH is the world's chartered body and largest membership organization for health and safety professionals. Relationship between health and safety culture and performance. There is a strong link between an organization's health and safety culture and its health and safety performance. Organizations with a strong, positive culture tend to perform well, whereas those with a weak negative culture perform badly. Positive culture. In organization with a positive health and safety culture, the majority of the workers think and feel that health and safety is important. There is a strong policy and clear leadership from the top. Because senior management have this attitude, which runs through the whole organization, from top to bottom. Managers think about the health and safety implications of their decisions, and workers do likewise. The majority of people work safely because they want to, not simply because they have to, even without close supervision. Because this is the way that things are done in the organization. People in the organization who do not share the group view are in the minority and are likely to come round to the group way of thinking and acting. This is because the culture of an organization tends to be absorbed by its workers over time. Workers who do not adjust to the group way of thinking may either leave because they don't feel that they fit in, or might be dismissed for working unsafely.